Are you tired of your beautiful organic garden turning into a buffet for pests? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you simple, natural, and effective ways to protect your plants without using chemicals. Why chemical sprays are a no-go. Chemical sprays may kill pests, but they also destroy beneficial insects and harm your soil's ecosystem. Healthy soil equals healthy plants equals stronger natural defenses. So let's ditch the toxins and work with nature, not against it. Identify the enemies. Before fighting back, know your enemy. Look for curled leaves, that's aphids, chewed holes on tomato leaves, hornworms, slime trails on lettuce, slugs, tiny white dots flying around, whiteflies, DIY pest control recipes. First up, Neem oil magic. This is nature's pesticide that repels over 200 types of garden pests. Neem oil spray recipe. 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed neem oil, 1/2 teaspoon of liquid dish soap, unscented, 1 liter of warm water. Shake well and spray under leaves every 7 days. Tip: spray in the evening to avoid leaf burn. The second DIY pest control recipe is soap spray secret. This simple soap spray suffocates soft-bodied insects like aphids and whiteflies. Soap spray recipe: 1 tablespoon of Castile or mild liquid soap, 1 liter of water. Mix and spray directly on pests once every 3 days until gone. Note: don't use detergent-based soaps. They can harm plants. The third DIY pest control recipe is garlic and chili power. For a powerful natural repellent, try the garlic and chili spray. Perfect for keeping caterpillars and beetles away. Garlic chili spray. Recipe: 2 garlic bulbs, 4 hot chili peppers, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of liquid soap, 1 liter of water. Blend garlic and chili, soak overnight, strain, add oil and soap, then dilute with water. Spray every 5 to 7 days around plants. Avoid flowers. The fourth DIY pest control recipe is baking soda and soap spray for aphids and whiteflies. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon mild liquid soap, like Castile, 1 liter, 4 cups, of water. Instructions: 1. Mix baking soda and soap into the water and stir until fully dissolved. 2. Pour into a spray bottle. 3. Spray directly on the affected leaves, especially underneath early morning or evening. 4. Repeat every 3-4 days until pests are gone. How it works: the soap breaks down insect bodies, while baking soda creates an alkaline environment that pests hate. The fifth DIY pest control recipe is baking soda plus oil spray for spider mites. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons vegetable or neem oil, 1 liter of warm water. Instructions: 1. Mix oil and baking soda in water. 2. Shake well and spray on plants. Focus on undersides of leaves. 3. Apply once per week. Tip: avoid spraying under strong sunlight to prevent leaf burn. The sixth DIY pest control recipe is baking soda plus vinegar trap for fruit. Flies. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: 1. Pour vinegar and water into a small bowl. 2. Add baking soda. It will fizz and release CO2 that attracts fruit flies. 3. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and poke small holes. 4. Replace every 2 to 3 days. The seventh DIY pest control recipe is baking soda barrier for slugs and snails. Ingredients: plain baking soda powder. Instructions: 1. Sprinkle a thin ring of baking soda around garden beds, planters, or pots. 2. When slugs or snails cross the line, the soda dehydrates them naturally. Note: reapply after rain or watering. The eighth DIY pest control recipe is baking soda plus sugar ant bait. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons baking soda, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Instructions: 1. Mix both ingredients evenly. 2. Place small amounts near ant trails or entry points. How it works: ants are attracted to sugar but die after eating baking soda. It reacts with their internal acids. Beyond sprays. Integrated Pest Management, IPM. Sprays aren't everything. Real success comes from balance. Companion planting. Marigolds repel nematodes, basil keeps mosquitoes and flies away, nasturtiums protect tomatoes from aphids. Beneficial insects attract ladybugs, lacewings, and praying mantises, your garden's tiny superheroes. Garden hygiene. Keep soil clean, remove dead leaves, and prune regularly to stop pest breeding. Long-term organic strategy. Healthy gardens don't need constant rescue. They maintain balance naturally. Rotate crops each season, feed your soil with compost, and adjust watering habits for pest resistance. Reclaim your harvest and enjoy truly organic produce from your own backyard. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more organic gardening videos.